K Cooking. My name is HK. I want to teach you how to make Korean food simply and easily. Today I'm going to show you how to make Dwaeji Bulgogi. Dwaeji is a pork meat and Bulgogi, bul is a fire, gogi is a meat. First, I'm going to show you the ingredient. We need a pork meat, soy sauce, sugar, cooking wine, sesame oil, black pepper, ginger juice or ginger, and garlic. And this is a garlic slices, green onions, and onions. This is optional if we want to make it spicy, so you can add a jalapeno and gochugaru and Korean hot sauce gochujang. I'm going to show you how to make the Dwaeji Bulgogi. So I like to use the sugar pour first and then mix first. This is sugar makes the meat very soft, so I like to use the sugar first, and then put some cooking wine. Then pour the soy sauce. Other ingredients are ginger juice, garlic, black pepper, and sesame oil. That's it. Before we move on, remember that you can marinate the meat in the fridge for 2-3 hours or overnight to develop more flavor. Turn on the high heat and then pour about 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm going to use about a little bit of meat today. I'm going to not use everything. So a little bit of garlic. Green onion, and then onion, about 1 minute later. So this amount of veggies, 1 handful. And it will be perfect. That's it. Smells so good. This is so good. You have to try right now. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. See you next time.